Financial Conflicts in Medicine: How Industry Payments Influence Healthcare. Introduction. The relationship between medical professionals and the pharmaceutical and medical device industries has long been a topic of debate. While collaborations between doctors and these industries can contribute to innovation, recent studies have raised concerns about how financial incentives may influence medical decisions. With billions of dollars flowing from drug and medical device companies to U.S. physicians, the potential for bias in treatment recommendations is a growing concern. The scope of industry payments to physicians. Between 2020 and 2023, physicians in the U.S. received over $8 billion in payments from pharmaceutical and medical device companies. These financial transactions were not related to research but instead included consulting fees, speaking engagements, travel reimbursements, and even royalties from patented treatments or devices. While some argue that these payments support medical education and collaboration, critics point out that they create conflicts of interest that could lead to biased prescribing and higher healthcare costs. The Physician Payments Sunshine Act, enacted in 2010, was designed to increase transparency by requiring companies to disclose payments made to doctors and teaching hospitals. Despite this regulation, studies suggest that many patients remain unaware of these financial relationships, raising ethical concerns about the impact on patient care. How financial ties may influence medical decisions. Medical professionals strive to uphold ethical standards, yet research suggests that even small financial incentives can subtly shape prescribing habits. Studies indicate that doctors who receive industry payments are more likely to prescribe brand-name drugs instead of lower-cost generic alternatives, recommend specific medical devices over potentially better or more affordable options, favor newer, high-cost treatments with limited long-term data over well-established therapies. For example, a study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that physicians who received free meals from drug companies were more likely to prescribe the promoted brand-name medications, even when equally effective generic options were available. While the financial amounts in many cases were small, the changes in prescribing behavior were significant. The call for stronger regulations and transparency. In light of these concerns, experts advocate for stricter regulations and improved transparency in physician-industry relationships. Suggested reforms include stronger disclosure requirements, ensuring that patients are informed when their physician has financial ties to a drug or device company. Limitations on direct payments to physicians for speaking fees, consulting, and promotional activities. Greater emphasis on unbiased medical education by reducing industry-sponsored conferences and replacing them with independent research initiatives. Several medical institutions have already implemented policies to limit conflicts of interest. Some hospitals and academic medical centers now prohibit staff from accepting gifts, meals, or speaking fees from pharmaceutical companies. However, such policies are not yet widespread across the healthcare system. Conclusion. The growing financial influence of pharmaceutical and medical device companies on medical professionals raises ethical and practical concerns. While industry collaborations can advance medical technology and treatment options, greater transparency and regulation are needed to ensure that medical decisions prioritize patient well-being over financial interests. As more attention is placed on these relationships, informed patients and ethical policies will be key in preserving the integrity of healthcare.